Welcome back to Britology. Today, we are stepping inside a vehicle that completely changes the meaning of road travel. Imagine a masterpiece built with the elegance of a luxury yacht, the comfort of a five-star presidential suite, and the innovation of tomorrow's technology. Meet the White Diamond Horizon Cruiser, an elite road palace, designed for those who believe every journey should feel as extraordinary as the destination itself. This is not simply a motorhome. It is a moving luxury estate created for people who demand absolute comfort, privacy, and prestige wherever they travel. From the very first glance, the White Diamond Horizon Cruiser commands attention. Its sleek pearl-white exterior shines like polished marble under the sunlight, while its flowing aerodynamic design gives it an elegant and futuristic appearance. Every curve has been carefully sculpted to reduce wind resistance while creating a timeless, luxury aesthetic. Massive panoramic windows stretch across both sides, allowing natural light to flood the interior and offering breathtaking views of mountains, forests, coastlines, or city skylines. Chrome accents, premium LED lighting, and diamond-inspired detailing complete. A design that feels worthy of the world's most exclusive luxury collection. Step inside, and the atmosphere immediately changes. Instead of feeling like a traditional recreational vehicle, the interior feels more like entering a modern luxury penthouse. Rich Italian marble flooring combines beautifully with handcrafted wood panels, while soft ambient lighting creates a warm and relaxing environment throughout the cabin. Every surface has been designed with precision, using only premium materials that reflect sophistication and exceptional craftsmanship. The living lounge is spacious, elegant, and incredibly inviting. Plush leather sofas surround a beautifully crafted coffee table, creating the perfect place to relax after a long day of travel. A hidden entertainment system rises from custom cabinetry with the touch of a button, revealing a massive, ultra-high-definition display, paired with a premium surround sound system. Whether enjoying a movie, listening to music, or simply admiring the scenery through the panoramic windows, every moment inside the Horizon Cruiser feels peaceful and luxurious. The dining area continues the theme of refined elegance. A handcrafted dining table comfortably seats several guests, while surrounded by luxurious upholstered seating. Integrated lighting above, the table creates a sophisticated atmosphere for family dinners, business meetings, or quiet evening meals. Every detail has been carefully designed to provide maximum comfort while maintaining a clean and modern appearance. Next comes the gourmet kitchen, a space that rivals those found in luxury homes. Premium stone countertops provide generous preparation space, while custom cabinetry offers ample storage for everything needed during extended adventures. High-end appliances include an induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, wine cooler, refrigerator, and advanced coffee machine. Intelligent storage solutions ensure every item has its place, allowing the kitchen to remain elegant and clutter-free. Moving toward the private master suite, luxury reaches another level. The bedroom features a king-size bed with a premium mattress designed for exceptional comfort during every night's rest. Soft designer lighting, handcrafted furniture, and large panoramic windows create a calming atmosphere that feels like an exclusive luxury hotel. Hidden storage compartments maximize space without disrupting the room's elegant appearance, while climate control ensures the perfect temperature in every season. The bathroom reflects the same attention to detail. Beautiful marble finishes, elegant fixtures, and a spacious rainfall shower create a true spa-like experience. A designer vanity, premium mirrors, heated flooring, and luxury toiletries storage transform daily routines into moments of relaxation. Every element has been carefully selected to provide the highest standards of comfort while traveling. Technology plays a major role throughout the White Diamond Horizon Cruiser. A fully integrated smart home control system allows passengers to manage lighting, entertainment, security, air conditioning, curtains, and appliances directly from touchscreen panels or mobile devices. Voice control makes operating the entire vehicle effortless, while artificial intelligence continuously monitors energy usage, climate conditions, and onboard systems for maximum efficiency. Safety remains one of the highest priorities. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, night vision technology, collision avoidance systems, and intelligent parking assistance. These features work together to make every journey safer and more relaxing, regardless of road conditions. Powering this remarkable road palace is an advanced, high-performance drivetrain, engineered for smooth, quiet, and efficient travel. Sophisticated suspension systems absorb road imperfections, creating an exceptionally comfortable ride that feels almost effortless. Whether cruising along scenic highways, climbing mountain roads, or exploring remote landscapes, passengers experience outstanding stability and comfort. Energy independence is another remarkable feature. High-capacity lithium battery banks work together with advanced solar panels installed on the roof, allowing the Horizon Cruiser to remain self-sufficient for extended periods. Powerful inverters, intelligent energy management, fresh water storage, wastewater systems, and backup generators provide complete freedom without relying on traditional campsites or external utilities. Outdoor living receives equal attention. At the touch of a button, large powered awnings extend to create a luxurious, shaded terrace beside the vehicle. Premium outdoor furniture, integrated lighting, weatherproof entertainment systems, and an exterior kitchen transform every stop into a private luxury retreat. Whether parked beside a peaceful lake, overlooking the ocean, or surrounded by mountain scenery, outdoor living becomes just as enjoyable as the interior. Storage capacity has been thoughtfully designed for extended adventures. Large climate-controlled compartments easily accommodate luggage, sports equipment, bicycles, outdoor furniture, and recreational gear. Hidden storage throughout the cabin ensures every space remains organized while maintaining the clean and luxurious interior design. Sustainability has also been considered without compromising luxury. Energy-efficient appliances, intelligent climate systems, LED lighting, recyclable materials, and eco-friendly engineering reduce environmental impact while maintaining exceptional comfort. The result is a luxury motorhome prepared for the future of premium travel. What truly separates the White Diamond Horizon Cruiser from ordinary luxury motorhomes is the feeling it creates. Every journey becomes an unforgettable experience where comfort, elegance, and freedom exist together. Instead of rushing toward a destination, travelers can enjoy every mile surrounded by world-class luxury. Every sunrise viewed through panoramic windows, every peaceful evening beneath the stars, and every scenic route become part of an extraordinary lifestyle. The White Diamond Horizon Cruiser is more than transportation. It represents complete independence without sacrificing comfort. It allows owners to explore breathtaking destinations while carrying the elegance of a luxury home wherever the road leads. It combines innovative engineering, timeless design, advanced technology, and premium craftsmanship into one remarkable creation that truly deserves the title of an elite road palace. As the future of luxury travel continues to evolve, vehicles like the White Diamond Horizon Cruiser demonstrate what is possible when imagination meets exceptional engineering. It is a symbol of prestige, innovation, and limitless adventure, proving that the most luxurious destination may simply be the journey itself. Thank you for joining us on this incredible luxury tour. If you enjoyed exploring the White Diamond Horizon Cruiser, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Britology, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next journey into the world's most extraordinary luxury vehicles, futuristic innovations, and elite lifestyles. We'll see you in the next adventure.